Okay, so here's the box from StockX. Same as Go. They were unmarked, which I really appreciate. However, the one thing that I didn't like about this packaging from StockX is that there's a huge gap here, and you can kind of tell what's in there, but I think there's something in there that kind of blocks the view, but you could kind of see, at least when it's in the light, I could see the label of the box for the shoes, and so I don't like that. I mean, if that person, that delivery person from FedEx was a bad person, they could have just as easily taken my shoes and just said that the package was lost or something. So shout out to that person who was a good person. So here's my trusty butter knife. Let's go ahead and open. Yeah, that's pretty much the only like bad rating that I would give on StockX right now. Just that big gap. I kind of wish that it was completely sealed. The box from Go was completely sealed. Like it was completely covered. There was no gaps or anything like that. It was really good packaging. Even though the box came a little messed up, it was just the shipping box that came messed up. The shoe box from Goat was fine. Okay, so yeah, right off the bat, this is the only thing that we get to protect our shoes. Whereas with Go, I kind of got like paper, and I got one of these little things too. All right, and then, all right, so yeah, that's pretty much everything that came in there. And then another thing with StockX that I've heard is that we just gotta check to see if they're legit. So I'm probably gonna be asking for a legit check. But here's the box. I got some SBs. I haven't had SBs since 11 years? 11 years. Yeah, I think I haven't gotten NikeSBs for about 11 years. And the last pair I bought at the Nike store in San Francisco. Man, I love those SBs. They were all black, and they had purple and like teal. And yeah, I love those shoes. They're warm to death. But okay, so right off the bat, I'm checking out the shoes. I kind of already see like a mark on the shoes, and I'm gonna make sure that they haven't been worn. The bottom of the sole looks good. Yeah, they don't look like they've been worn at all. But I do see kind of like a little mark on one of them. And then we got the little StockX tag. So I'm not showing you the shoes right now on purpose, because I want to check to see them first. And I'm just gonna say right off the bat, I'm like super impressed just with the shoe, not the quality of the shoe. Like, you know, to see that if it's worn or not. But anyway, okay, without further ado, these are the shoes that I got. I got the Concepts Turdunken shoes. And I know a lot of people say that these weren't like the best ones that Concepts brought out. They say that they had, what were the other ones? Like the Valentine ones. Some people really like those, some really like some other ones. But these to me are my favorite dunks of last year. There's kind of like a little crease here already starting to happen, so I'm gonna put some more paper in until I get like actual like pine, like little pine shoe things in there. But check these out. Yeah, and I didn't get the special box just because like I said, I was looking on both apps, and I was also looking on eBay, and the special box is still going for almost like $400. And I'm not like a super true collector of shoes. I'm not a reseller of shoes. All the shoes that I buy, I wear. So I don't really see the need to get the special box. I would have liked the special box only for the shoelaces, but I can't justify paying another $200 for shoelaces and like a Nerf ball and all that special box stuff. But I mean, if you bought it and you have it and you got it resell, you know, kudos to you. I could have, but I just didn't want to spend that much money, especially with the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux's coming out in November. I really want to get those, so I'm trying to not spend too much money. And so one of the main reasons why I got these two was because Thanksgiving's coming up and it just plays well to the theme. I'm gonna buy some shoelaces from Amazon or probably like my local store around here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get these types of laces. I really don't like these laces like the ones that like poof up. It's just not my thing. But I am gonna look for like the burgundy cranberry looking ones, just because I saw these shoes with that colorway with those shoelaces and they look badass. So yeah, these are the shoes that I got, my Turdunkens. Super happy with them, and they haven't been worn, so I think these were like straight dead stock or something. Yeah, I mean, everything on them is pretty legit right now that I see. And just the quality of the shoes, dude. They still smell brand new. They don't smell like anyone's feet. So these are some of my other Grails. The Carmine 6s and the Turdunkens are some of my Grails. But yeah, I hope you kind of enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be putting up I'm gonna make this video like pretty legit because I care about these shoes a lot. And I kind of regret not doing that with the Carmines. But yeah, I'm definitely taking off that StockX tag. But yeah, I mean, let me know what your opinions are on these shoes. Do you like them? Do you have them? What are some shoes that are coming up that you want? Or what are you wearing in your collection? What do you have? I'd love to hear from you all. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out, helps grow the channel, helps grow the community, and it makes me keep wanting to do content and makes me want to keep spending my money on buying shoes just to like interact with other like sneakerheads and stuff like that. Like, you know, I really like the culture, at least what it used to be, and I hope that we can kind of take it back to what that was rather than just focusing on the reseller culture, because that is terrible and I think that needs to change. Plus everything else that Nike has been saying and doing on the internet. Yeah, it's not like it used to be. I definitely remember going and camping out with my friends who were real true sneakerheads back in the day. I really wasn't into sneakers like in high school. I liked nice shoes, and I had nice shoes, but I really didn't know about shoes. But I do appreciate them taking me with them to camp out and to get shoes. And then they also took me to like what I think it was like Dunk Exchange, and so I saw people buying and selling shoes. And my friend had a pair of the Air Mags, the Marty McFlys, and they weren't his size. So I just remember that he sold them. When was that? 2011, 2012? He sold them to this dude there, and he sold them for a lot. And I was just like, dang, this is something beyond my understanding. But yeah, again, you know, if you're new to this channel, my name is Sabino. I go by Frijoles. I also go by Royal Demon Rose on Instagram. Follow my social media for more pics and things like that, more interaction. But until then, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.